So is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So now we will start with the references. We are going to study the thermal analysis. We are going to do the thermal analysis of a simple structure. Okay, so I'm going to click on thermal analysis, click on OK. See, if you don't select the thermal, then there will not be any appearance of temperature or that is in boundary condition. Okay, बाउंड्री कंडीशन में टेम्परेचर या फिर कोई और कंपोनेंट उसमें नहीं आएगा, दिखेगा नहीं. अगर स्ट्रक्चरल सेलेक्ट किए तो स्ट्रक्चरल के कंपोनेंट्स बाद में ऑप्शन. ओके, सो प्रेफरेंसेस थर्मल preprocessor element type added and delete add. So plane 55 okay, optional, so plane thickness, okay, close. Then real constants added and delete 0.5, you can okay, close. Metal properties, metal models, it is thermal conductivity, isotropic it is spin, you can okay, close. Modeling create by two corner, it was 0 0 0 0. Width is 2 and height is 1. We have taken. Okay. Then we have to create one. So other two rectangles we need to create from this point. So we will select this one like this. Again we will select this one like this. So I'm creating the circle, solid circle, having 1 and 1 and 1. Okay, here we can see this, and again we will create some rectangle by two corners. Okay, and this is what your symbol for Android. Okay, I will just operate this, add all these areas, 1 2 3 4 5 and this 6. Click on OK. So now it has been created. Okay, so I want to just create one two holes over here, that is circles, solid circle. So I will create one circle over here and another circle over here. Okay, click on OK. So I will delete this by operate, subtract areas, click on whole area, then click on OK, then click on these two areas, click on OK. So it will be created. So this type of structure we have created over here. So this is simple, we can say the Android structure. Okay, and here again we can take Next step, that is meshing, size controls, manual size, and areas. All areas we need to create one 0.1 as a 0.05. I will create as a size of element, and go to mesh, free areas, click on OK. So it has been created over here. So it is very nice meshing. And again we will go to the loads, that is thermal on what, on nodes I'm going to apply over here. Okay, so I will apply nodes, that is picking by the box. Yes, I'm applying the thermal load on this one. Click on OK. I'm applying this as a 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, and at the center, okay, at the central hole I want to apply the temperature. So for that one I am selecting circular selection. So go to the center and select this all points, click here and select this all points. Okay, so I'm going to click on OK. I'm applying 500 temperature on this, click on OK. So on the nodes, box, click pick. I'm applying a very cold situation over here, that is minus 50 degrees Celsius. Click on OK. So now I'm ready to go for the solution. Analysis type, it is state thermal analysis, and going for solution as it is done. Now go to the general post processor, go to control plot, nodal solution, degree of freedom solution, nodal temperature. We need to see over here, click on OK. So this is what the analysis of this. Okay, so minimum temperature minus 15 and maximum is 500 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that's it. We can have for this today's session. Okay, I'm applying this Android thermal. Okay, we have taken over here. We will just save this PDF. Android thermal. Okay, so let us stop over here. I think it is understood to you how to create different kind of structures. Okay, thank you very much.